In Marxist studies, dehumanization means making workers feel like they are not important or valued in the process of making things for capitalism, which is a system where the businesses and factories are owned by private individuals. Back in 1843, Karl Marx talked about how the Prussian monarchy, a government, treated people in a way that took away their sense of being human. In 1844, he wrote how capitalism, where businesses make profits by hiring workers, can really hurt people. Marx believed that humans are naturally social and like to create things, but when they are treated this way, they cannot do those things like they should. Instead, they can only do basic things like eating, drinking, and having children, just like animals do. When workers give their time and effort to companies or factories, they are also giving up a bit of themselves and their humanity. Marx said this makes them feel like machines, and he talked about this idea a few times in his writings. It is important to know that when Marx talks about workers becoming like machines, it is a way of saying how tough and unfair the system can be. He did not mean it literally. If workers were completely treated like machines, they would not have the power to free themselves. But Marx believed that workers would eventually realize how they were being treated and take charge of their own lives. He thought they would understand their place in society and fight for their rights as humans.